Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I'll be talking about the software engineering role that has opened up at Barclays. This is a full-time permanent job role which is based out of Bangalore. So the area of expertise that you need to have for this is tech. Now, moving into the qualities that will make you a great fit for this role. So, they would want you to have some knowledge in Java 17 or 21, some Spring MVC, Spring Boot, Spring Security knowledge, some knowledge in React JavaScript, some experience in implementing RESTful services using build tools like Maven or Gradle. If you have some experience in unit testing using frameworks like JUnit or Mockito, mutation using PyTest Striker, component testing using any React testing library would be really preferred. So they do want you to stress on backend development, which you must have understood by now, using Java and Spring Boot. For database, they would like to have some knowledge in relational databases like SQL Server and Oracle, some experience using observability tools such as logging and metrics for debugging using Elastic Kibana. Some experience working in setting up cloud infrastructure using, say, CloudFormation or Terraform, and definitely some experience in configuring wide range of AWS services, and some good experience in cloud technology would be a great fit for this role. So these are the basic qualities that they are looking out for. Now, some highly valued skills that they would prefer you to have is if you have some knowledge of versioning tools like GitLab, Bitbucket, some understanding of cloud, working with DevOps, Jenkins pipeline, and some understanding of Agile or Scrum methodology. These skills would make you a great fit for this role. Now, they have not mentioned any requirement of a prior work experience, so this role is open for freshers. Now, this is all the qualifications skill that they would prefer you to have. Moving on to the hiring process that they generally follow. So, starting with a coding test, which will be of 1 hour. This will be mostly MCQ based. Now, this will focus on data structures and algorithms, DBMS, operating systems, computer networks, and questions will primarily test your problem solving ability, logic building, and understanding of data structures. So there will be some MCQs which will be focused on the other topics that I mentioned, like OOPS, operating systems, DBMS, computer networks as well. So manage your time efficiently, handle edge cases in such a way that you finish everything at the right time. Now, after your first initial MCQ online assessment, once you get through this role, you will be called in for a technical round, which will be an in-person 45 minutes interview focusing on core computer science fundamentals. So that will be covering OS, DBMS, computer networks, and problem solving, of course. So they will be discussing about your background and interests as well. You can mention all kinds of interests, not just related to technical stuff, so be a bit real also. So you will have to design or conceptualize the solutions to the problem and make your interviewer understand your approach in a very clear manner, right? So you'll have to think on spot on some real world problems and come to the most optimized implementation method. Now, there will also be a managerial round after this, which will be having a duration of 45 minutes, again, an in person round. So, they will be testing how culturally fit you are for this role, behaviorally, and situation based questions will be asked. Now, they might ask some questions related to your resume also in this round, but and also some questions if you have had your prior internships to this, then they might ask you about your experience there as well, and how your expectations look from a company like Barclays, um, and how motivated you are to join the company. These are the things that they will mostly be focusing on in your managerial interview. So these are the three rounds, not much that you'll have to get through to get into a company like Barclays. Go ahead, apply before the link expires. I have attached the application link in the description of this video. Go ahead, apply, and if you guys are liking my content, finding it useful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies currently hiring for internships and job roles, especially for college students, so on the lookout for this. So do subscribe to my channel, and hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.